Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to do a short and sweet video on how to replace the turn signal bulb in this '06 Ford F-150, which you can apply this to the '04 through '08 F-150, that generation as well. So let's get to it. Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to take the headlight housing away from the frame of the truck in order to change the bulbs. Unfortunately, that's what you have to do in these year model trucks, but it's not that hard. You can check out the other video that I have on this. It's a 10mm bolt in 3 different places, and you simply pull the housing out. So once you expose the back side of the lens, you want to take right here, and just to verify that this is your turn signal, and you want to go over here and simply turn it a quarter of a way and it will pop out. Replacing this is simple. You simply pop the bulb out, you stick the other bulb back in. This is a 3157 and it's an amber color. To get it back in, see these little notches right here? You want to take and line up the notches on the back side of this frame. Give me just a second. I'm trying to do this with one hand. I need to buy a GoPro so I can shoot some of these videos and you won't be so angry at me for not being able to see what I'm trying to tell you. So on the housing itself, you see they have little notches cut out. You want to line these notched areas up. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're not. There we go. And simply turn to the right. Now you've just replaced your turn signal. Before we mount this to the frame, we're going to go turn the lights on and see if that signal works. Alright, so we're checking to verify everything works before we mount this back to the frame, and it does. As always, we thank you for viewing. If you like this channel, or if you like this videos, feel free to give us a thumbs up. Check out the other videos I have on how to remove the headlight housing if you need to replace the whole headlights themselves. Check those out. And until next video, thank you for viewing.